I've seen UFOs before, Colonel, but never one like this. You'd have to travel pretty fast to move around the range the way this thing's doing.
Collection of unreleased records. We sure do have a lot of them these days. Record company's got to catch up.
This is one of those places where, through the miracle of electronics, we switch from here to there and put a tape thing on the air.
Yo, check this out.
Catch me in the hood, Roswell, clapping at the spaceship.
Energy manipulation, which enables UFOs to move between dimensions, seems to occur underwater. "30,000 feet under the sea is one such area.